In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an account from Microsoft Outlook in 2025. Managing your email accounts in Outlook is a straightforward process, whether you're looking to declutter or to integrate more accounts for professional or personal use. Taking control of your Outlook accounts can enhance your productivity and ensure your communications are organized effectively. Let's dive into the simple steps to add or remove an account from your Outlook. First things first, you want to open your Outlook app on your desktop. If you're a frequent user of Outlook, this is most likely the starting point where you're greeted with your emails and calendar. Navigating through the application is central to effectively managing your accounts. Once you have Outlook open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the application. Here you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Clicking on this icon will open a menu that gives you access to various functionalities within Outlook, including the sections related to your accounts. With settings open, it's vital to ensure that you're under the Accounts section. This is your gateway to managing every email account linked to your Outlook. If you've navigated to another section like Mail Layout or Calendar Settings, you won't be able to manage your email accounts just yet, so make sure you have selected Accounts from the menu options. Assuming you're now in the Accounts section, identify the account you want to manage. If we're looking at a common example, such as a Gmail account that you might want to work with, you'll see an option labeled Manage next to the account name. Selecting this option gives you the power to alter how your Gmail integrates with Outlook. If your goal is to tidy up and you want to remove an existing account from Outlook entirely, the next step is simple. After clicking Manage on the desired account, look for the Remove option. This step is crucial as it allows you to untangle accounts no longer needed, ensuring that your Outlook stays efficient and relevant to your current needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you not only add or remove accounts effortlessly, but also take a step toward a more streamlined email experience. Remember, whenever you add or remove any account in Outlook, the changes will reflect across devices where Outlook is connected. With this knowledge, you can easily curate and control your communication channels, ensuring that they work best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Outlook experience more effectively.